guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl, the Glam Empress, and I am here with my nighttime skincare routine. I am going to be taking off this full face of makeup. I had an extremely long day at work, and I'm going to start by putting my hair up because this little routine can get a little messy. And you guys, when I tell you run, don't walk to Sephora and get the fresh makeup melting balm. When I tell you it is a game changer, you don't have to use 3 to 5 wipes just to melt off or take off your makeup. This melting balm will get your makeup off in seconds. You just spread it and rub it all on the face, all on your eyes. And you guys, when I tell you this is a game changer, this is a game changer. I'm always struggling to take off my makeup and my face is still never clean. Now I'm going to go in using my cleanser from Your Skincare to cleanse my face. Thank you, Your Skin, for sponsoring this video. I did enjoy using the cleanser, especially wearing this heavy makeup all day. And this cleanser did give me a deep cleanse. I mean, it really exfoliated my face just to ensure that all of the makeup and all of the gunk is out of my face. I was also sent a moisturizer as well with SPF, which I did show you guys in my previous video, but if you did not see it, you can click on the link below. I usually like to cleanse my face 2 times just to ensure that it is clean. And with Your Skin, it does contain clean ingredients and it does not contain any parabens, toxins, or fillers. This brand is cruelty free and is not tested on animals, which I love because I'm an animal lover, and this product is made in the US. So after I cleanse my face for a second time, you guys, you can definitely notice how glowy and how clean and how fresh my skin looked. So initially my skin goals was to completely get rid of any hyperpigmentation. Prior to starting this skincare regimen, I did get a Hydra facial 1 week prior to starting this routine, just so I can remove the toxins and dead skin from my face to ensure that the products were going to be absorbed properly. I did notice after 1 week my skin did get a little clear, but using the products on a consistent basis, I really didn't notice any significant changes. So after the cleanse, I did go ahead and apply my face mask, and as you guys can see, I went and got this little spoon thing from my job to help me apply the mask a little bit more seamless and easier, because that mask be getting all stuck up in my nails and I ain't got time for that. So I just went ahead and used that to apply it to my face, and you guys, when I tell you, I absolutely loved it. And I want to say the mask was my favorite product because I did see a difference in the brightness of my skin, and also seeing that my pores were unclogged, and it also helped with the elasticity of my skin as well. So you just want to leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you want to remove it. So y'all, I tried using the back of the brush to remove this mask, which is what it's supposed to be used for, but as you can see, it was not giving. So I want to say I used it a couple of times just to get most of it off, but after a while I just gave up and washed all of it off. So the next part of the skincare routine is my anti-acne serum, and this serum helped control any unwanted breakouts that I may be having, unless it was just time for Aunt Flo. Other than that, I did not see any noticeable breakouts with this serum. However, this was my least favorite product because it was so sticky, especially since I started working it into the skin. It was just unenjoyable to use, but I did notice that I was having less breakouts with this serum. So the last part of my skincare routine was the night cream, and I really loved how the packaging, like you can do that little pump thing and it pumps up. Like I really enjoyed that. Like that's different. However, it was not my favorite product, you guys. The formula was way too sticky and it was not giving. It was not giving at all. So I reached out to my Your Skincare representative and I made them aware, like, listen, I can't do this cream. It's too sticky. I don't enjoy putting it on every night. What can we do about it? And the great thing about this brand is that they offer a satisfaction guarantee policy to make sure that you're completely satisfied with your products. So they did go ahead and reformulated another night cream for me, and the shipping was almost immediately. As you guys can see, my skin looked clean, my skin looked vibrant. Would I recommend this product to everyone? I would say if you have more so acne problems, I would recommend it, but I do have oily hyperpigmentation skin, so I didn't see a difference in my skincare. I really wish that they could have sent a toner as well, just because when I used the moisturizer, it made my skin more oilier, but for the most part, it did keep my skin brighter than it initially was. That wraps up my nighttime routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below and let me know if you guys have tried this brand before, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.